Hello everyone, welcome back. In this session, we'll introduce a very useful PCB design tip, how to create an oval-slot core for a pad. During PCB design, sometimes we need to make the pad oval-shaped so it can better match the component list and make the hole and the pad look cleaner and more aligned. This can be achieved by adjusting the pad properties. First, in the PCB editor, place a normal pad and select it. After selecting the pad, open the Properties panel on the right side. Under the Size section, find Shape in the General Settings and change it to the Oval from the drop-down menu. At this step, you may not see any visible change yet. Next, go to Hole Property and change the hole shape to slot. This is necessary because if the hole shape remains wrong, it cannot be set as an oval slot. After selecting slot, you will be able to adjust the diameter and length. For example, here we can set diameter 40 mm, length 50 mm. After completing the settings, you will see a standard oval slot pad on the PCB. One thing to note is that oval slot pads are usually used for special component lists. If they are too large or used excessively, they may affect PCB layout and manufacturing cost, so it's recommended to use them only when necessary. And that's how you create an oval slot hole pad in the PCB design. Mastering this small technique can make your PCB design more flexible and efficient. See you in the next one.
$85,000 prize pool. The EasyEDA 2026 Stars competition is now open worldwide. Material costs largely reimbursed. $100 JLC coupon for every qualified completed project. Top 28 engineers get invited to JLC Factory to see production up close. No pitch decks, no fluff, just working hardware. Submit your build now.